Damn, toy forgot it was a toy. It started running too.
Coming.
Bro literally has very unusual way to come back home. She's knocking like she got a warrant. The confidence on her face. Cat was literally like, I'm not in danger, I am the danger. Whoa, this cat just got catfished. What a prankster. Bro is literally never going to know who attacked her. Must have been a ghost.
He's all
He's
in.
all in.
He's all in.
What a shot! 你怎么跟傻了？Oh my god!
And people say cats can't be good guards. Whoa, I know a few goalkeepers. They can really learn some new tricks from this kitty. Well, that's also one way to run on treadmill. Whoops, the first one ruined the whole plan. She's definitely going to get punished by other two cats for that behavior.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Oh, the stare. I wonder what happened to the owner ever since.
Been chasing it all night, damn it. Do something with it.
You literally had one job. Well, what can I say now?
Lihat nih. Nih, lihat nih. Gini ya. Ini gini nih. Coba. Nah. Good.
Whoa, Looks like someone is training hard for next boxing championship.
Goose! That baby was sleeping! Goose, stop! You're mean!
That looks personal. Cat would have thought this looks like a good time to take revenge for all the more pets I would have gotten if he was not here.
It's okay.
Alright, that's it for today's video. What's the funniest thing you have ever seen a cat doing? Let me know in the comments down below. And do subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this.